Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul from Craft Stash. I thought to do the unboxing as I usually do. Without further ado, let's dive in. Right, so the first thing we've got is this Textures gel plate by Lou Collins, and it's a 5x7, and it actually came with this brayer as well, and it came as a kit, and it was £13.50 minus my 10%, of course. And I know some of you have probably watched my previous video and seen that I've actually got one of these already, but I was that impressed with it that I decided to get another one. So I had one for like using acrylic paints and stuff because it gets really mucky, it's hard to clean, and then one just for inks and stuff, so which is easier to clean off and keeps it more or less pristine. So that was the first thing I bought. So the next thing I got was a Memento ink pad in Tuxedo Black, as mine is running dry, and I've been struggling to actually find a re-inker for these. I don't know what it is with me and not being able to find re-inkers, but I just can't seem to find them. But when I do, what I will do is I will then have one of these in my craft bag for when I go to my craft group, and then one at home. And that's also what I'm going to do with the brayer. So I'll permanently have a brayer at home and one in my craft bag. I know if I am at home, I will actually be able to go in my craft bag, but I don't tend to not touch that until the days I go crafting and having to replenish the stocks and stuff. So that just saved me not forgetting one, so that's why I got them. And then I also got this Daisy May Designs stamp set, and this was called the Cattle Art of Lowing stamp set, and it's a cute little boy, I'm guessing, dressed as a little cow, and there's a sheep here and a donkey here, so you could kind of use these for Christmas and not for Christmas. I just thought they was kind of cute, and these was actually in the sale. So this little bundle came as a set, a bundle set that Craft World Premium members got a code for. Now if you're not a Craft World Premium member, you basically pay £20 for the whole year, and you'll get 10% off everything on Craft Stash, whether it be in the sale or already on offer or whatever. But sometimes they also send you codes, so like this particular set was 50% off if you bought it using them. Now you can be a Craft World member but without being a premium member, but it's the premium members that get these codes and stuff. So everything I bought here I got 10% off, even with this with the 50% off already. And they also have competitions every month. There's usually 5, 6, sometimes up to 10 competitions that you can enter, but you can only enter them if you are a Craft World Premium member. And if I do remember, I will put a link down below. I'm not too sure if it's worldwide. I'm guessing the Craft World site is worldwide, but I don't know if like the offer for the 10% off on Craft Stash is worldwide, if that makes sense, because I don't know if Craft Stash actually ship worldwide or not. They may do, I don't know. But this bundle I had to get. As you all know, I love kinetic cards. Sam Calcott makes the most amazing kinetic cards, and I seen these and I was like, I have to try this out. So this is what I got. They basically got this set, and in here you've got the 5x7 shutter blind card mechanism die, and it's all the shutter blind collection, I'm guessing. So I've got it in there, and then I've also got the 6x6, so I've got 2 shutter dies, and these are quite weighty actually. Let's see if we can open one up. So you can see like the dies are quite big. This is like the biggest part die, and then there's lots of other dies. Now I haven't actually watched the video on how to do this, but I will be watching the video, and I may even do a video myself on how to do it from my perspective as the purchaser. And then in this set you also got the Christmas Fun Sentiment, and this is an A5 stamp set, and it's got lots of funny sentiments in here, saying feeling pine, let's get lit. Then you've also got like your traditional like Merry Christmas, and I just love how these are. Like I love you daily, and hands up if you've been good, and love at frost sight, and Prosecco ho ho ho, and it's just so cool. Just unusual sentiments as well as some traditional sentiments. And then in here you got the Christmas tree stamp and die set. So I'll show you the stamps. Try not to get the glare. So you can see we've got some nice cool candy canes and Christmas crackers, some stars and some Christmas trees. And then you've got the die to cut them out, as I really hate fussy cutting. That'd be perfect for me. And then we've got the snowman stamp and die set. I'll show you the stamps again. So there's the stamps. I love this cute guy here with no hat on. How cute is he? You got some snowballs, some mittens, some holly, and it's snow time. And again, you've got all the dies to cut them out with. And then we got the reindeer stamp and die set. I'll grab these out and show you these. So we got a cute little reindeers and little girly elves, and some bells and parcels and more bells, so different type of bells, and some stars. And then we've got a little sentiment, jingle all the way. In fact, we've actually got it's snow time and just for you on them ones, or for you. And then the last stamp and die set is the Santa Claus one. We'll grab these out. And we've got cute little Santas here with his little Santa sack and his naughty and good list, and we've got some little signposts here and more parcels again, and then just a Merry Christmas on that one. And the last thing in this bundle is these Christmas backgrounds in 8x8, so I'll grab them out and show them, yeah. So we've got this gorgeous cute little gingerbread man and gingerbread house. Then we've got a snowy one. We've got a Christmas tree design. We've got some stars, which could be perfect for birthday as well, not just Christmas. And then we've got a ho ho ho. And then we've got some Christmas lights, and I think that's it. And then the rest are all just repeats. So that was my haul, guys. Please check out Craft World Premium if you do buy lots of craft stuff. I guarantee you'll get your money back tenfold. I mean, just with this bundle, I got my money back way more than what I spent. As like I say, it was 50% off. With me over 10, so I got actually 60% off this bundle, which is crazy price again. So yeah, so I'm gonna love you and leave you. Thanks for watching, guys. I'd really love it if you would comment, subscribe, and just give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. And hopefully I shall catch you in the next video. Bye.